The GST 150 jigsaw comes in two variations, the CE and the BCE. 150 BCE has the top bow grip or D handle, which has become the most popular style. The 150 CE has the traditional body grip, which many professional users prefer, as its lower centre of gravity makes it easier to guide accurately. The incredibly powerful 780 watt motor, coupled to a long blade, allows accurate cuts to a staggering depth of 150 mm with both models. A unique feature of the GST 150 is a quick change SDS blade system. Simply click the blade into place, no tools are needed, and to remove it, just press the lever and the blade shoots out automatically. This is particularly useful if the old blade is still hot. You don't have to touch it. The 150 CE has the same feature. For continuous cuts, the trigger on the BCE 150 can be locked on to prevent fatigue. Just click it to release. The switch can be operated from either side, making it ideal for left-handers. The variable speed trigger acts like an accelerator. The harder you squeeze it, the faster it goes. For delicate workpieces, it's much easier to control the cut if you can start slowly. Preset the maximum required speed with the control knob on the back. Then, no matter how hard you squeeze, this set speed will never be exceeded. The 150 CE has a simple on-off slide switch rather than an accelerator trigger, but it does still have the variable speed control knob on the back. Both models share a 4-stage pendulum action, which allows you to control the speed of cut by introducing a progressive amount of circular orbit into the blade. Set it to 0 for fine cuts in sensitive materials, like veneered boards, or increase it for faster cuts in solid wood. The aluminium base has a steel insert to increase the strength and minimise accidental damage when the saw is inevitably knocked off the bench or dropped on site. Both saws are supplied with an anti-scratch overshoe to prevent damage when working on delicate surfaces. This just clips into place in seconds. The sawdust blower can be switched on to keep the cut line free of dust, but an extractor nozzle is also supplied if you want to connect the tool to an extractor. In this case, the blower is then switched off. The extraction efficiency is increased further by fitting the Perspex chip cover. The anti-splinter shoe ensures chip-free cutting on veneered surfaces. The base can be tilted up to 45 degrees after slackening off the single Allen screw. Push it forward to locate back in the 90-degree position. Both models come in a handy carrying case, which has plenty of room for the generous 4-meter cable and all accessories. Just shut it up and you're ready to go. So that's the GST 150, an amazing jigsaw with that incredible capacity. What's more, it's proudly made in Switzerland, made by professionals for professionals. And if you register the tool online, you get a 3-year warranty.